Good morning, and today we are going to the mall to buy something. Wow. This mall looks good.
Hey today, look, I found a movie theater at the mall.
Let's go. Hello, welcome to Plotagon Cinemas. How may I help you? Can I get 4 tickets to see my Plotagon Pro 2024 Survives the Natural Disaster 2? Okay, that will be $14. Here is $14. Thank you, and enjoy your movie.
I can't wait for that movie.
I agree.
Wow! The movie is starting.
Lights, camera, rolling, action.
Okay, now time to watch M&M's The Lost Formulas Pirated.
Okay, since it's playing my Plotagon Pro 2024 Survives the Natural Disaster 2, let's swap into M&M's, The Lost Formulas Pirated.
What? What's this? Oh my god. It's M&M's, The Lost Formulas Pirated. Attention passengers, the movie has swapped into M&M's, The Lost Formulas Pirated. Do you know who did it? It's the King Suckers and Grounded Productions, so we have to put it back into my Plotagon Pro 2024 Survives the Natural Disaster 2. Have a nice day. Ugh, why the bad guys swapped the movie into M&M's The Lost Formulas Pirated?